Hello everyone! Tie a ponytail and then divide the hair into two sections. Twist it and roll it one on top of the other. Roll the hair in on itself after tying a rubber band to the base. Tie a ponytail. Instead of tying a ponytail, however, knot the bottom portion of it and then lift it up. Take a section of the hair off the top of the scalp and tie a rubber band to it. Take one more section from it, tie a rubber band in the middle. Do this 3 times. Roll each of these sections in on themselves. Lift it up and then tie it up in place. Section of the top of the hair, tie a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself as such. Divide the hair into 2 portions and then begin to braid one of them. Loosen it using your fingers. Tie a ponytail and then roll the hair in on itself, but this time do it from the bottom. Begin to braid the hair by taking multiple sections from the ponytail that you have created. Attach the extra at the bottom. Take 3 sections of the scalp from the back and then begin to braid it. Roll it upwards. Make a ponytail with the rest of the hair and lift it up. Start off by tying a ponytail, then take a small section of this ponytail, add a thread to it. Begin to include this thread into the braid that you are making as a part of the sections. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the ponytail into it. Roll it around the rest of the sections of the ponytail. Take a section from the left side and then tie a rubber band to it. Once again, roll the hair in on itself. Do the same on the other side as well. Join them together and then tie 2 rubber bands in the middle of them once again. Roll them each in on themselves. Thank you for watching.